welcome back, guys. Yeah, okay. Today we got this question. Let's do this question. This is like a similar question to the previous one we did. Like here, here it said product of the solution, and here we got the sum of the solution. So this is really simple, guys. Let's do this question with Desmos. It will save your time. So here it is. What I taught you is just write the equation first of all, like we can write x in regression, so we gotta use x1, right? So just write the equation here, and sorry, okay, and 1 minus k, and we know this k is greater than 4a. This is uh, conditions so that this won't be 0, right? And I already taught in the previous video, and it was that A is one solution and B is one solution, and sum is A plus B, right? So if you got any either B or A, you can find uh, another solution from the sum. Like if the sum is 5 and if A is 2 and B is 3, then if we got any of these, then we can subtract from the uh, sum and we can get another solution. Like for here, if we subtract 3 from 5, we will get 2, and vice versa, like 2 from 5, we will get 3. So we got, if we just have to get one solution, and because here is also x minus k, here is also x minus k, it will be common, so it is one solution. So we got k is our one solution, okay? K is our one solution. So let's write down x1 is k, right? And we know this is a quadratic equation, so there are two solutions. So we don't need to find another solution because we got the sum of solution, which is 3k plus 35, but it is sum of solution, so we gotta subtract one solution from the sum of the solution to get another solution, right? So exactly this process, exactly this process. So we gotta subtract one solution to get another solution, and here one solution is k, so we just subtract it, and we got our answer. It is that simple, guys. But it is a condition that k is greater than 4, and yeah, it does make that condition. But we can say it like this: k is greater than 4, right? And we got our a value, which is minus 8.75. Okay, minus 8.75. So yeah, this is that simple, guys.